Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we're gonna continue our journey to amazing product by SilverCrest.
SilverCrest.
We're not gonna spoil it, so let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go. So here we have a label printer.
This is a label printer by SilverCrest. I can't wait to see what is inside the box.
So as you can't wait, gotta wait because I can't open that safety seal. Whoops. Well, we've ripped the box. Why? That is.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1. There we are.
Nice box. Premium packaging.
I won't keep you waiting any longer. There you go.
Yep.
It's a baby printer.
It's a baby printer.
Literally is a baby printer. I just pressed it to see how it clicks. Don't press buttons, okay? Whoops!
So what else we have inside this box?
What we have in this box, we have our instructions. We have a cable.
A USB-C cable. Look.
Yes,
look.
a USB cable, yeah.
Look guys, USB-C. So we talking about new, faster charging.
Our little instruction book. What is everything? Our little port that we put our thermal labels in. How to open it and close it, that we will show. And the classic, you know guys.
So you need a 1 amp charger. It might be a charger from SilverCrest. It might be your phone charger. It might be anything that you can use a USB to USB-C.
Yeah, anything with that amps. It's just.
Yes, and the best thing of all, you can use this device remote. What I mean remote, you can use this device while you are on your way to do stuff, or you can use it even while it is charging.
Yeah, you can do.
So yeah, inside this device there is applied with a
little thermal. Let's get it out so you can see it properly.
Yes.
This is our thermal labels, so you can see the size of them.
Yeah, we're gonna print.
We are going to print something, and obviously, unfortunately, you lose a couple at the start because
if you don't do it carefully, yes.
Well, you do lose the first one anyway. It doesn't matter how hard you try. I'll just like that. You can use the first one. I would not think so.
Yeah.
I will try my best. It's because of the glue more.
Yeah.
Maybe we can. We will give it a try anyway.
This is your thermal element.
Yeah.
And I believe you just put this inside.
Nope, not that. You need that.
And we're gonna try our best to do it correctly.
Well, you do need a piece.
Okay, we're gonna lose the first one.
Yeah.
And let's power on the device. Before we go to that, let me show you what you need to download.
Yeah.
They call it Pocket Printer. You can get this barcode from the app straight from the box in the front. And let's see how this is gonna operate with this small printer. You see the app opens, it says to search for new connections. You search for the device on the Bluetooth. So you see the printer, if it wants to focus. Why don't you want to focus? Just make our lives harder. So we're just gonna connect. So you see, it shows you the battery of the printer. And let's try to print something.
Oh yeah.
So, say we want a switch. You can choose from the presets it has inside. And we're gonna put this. And we're gonna send it.
Yeah, you can put whatever you like in there.
You can write whatever
Yeah,
you
the
like.
text.
You can send it there. Let's see how it's gonna act. So we're gonna press print.
And here there is.
There you have it. There's your sticker.
Yep, there's our sticker. Let's see the quality of the sticker. That is another thing I want to say. It's the glue is quite strong.
Yep, very nice, because they have plenty of options you can put here.
Yeah. Anything you can imagine from, like, you can.
Yeah,
put
and
it
you can
on.
create on the app, obviously, your own custom ones.
Yeah.
So very handy. Okay, new label. You can write here whatever you want to say.
You have to press text first. If you want to just write something, you can do a template. You can do a lot of things.
Yep.
Double tap to edit.
Okay, we're gonna edit. Okay, so let's try to see. You can change where the thing you want to be and the letter spacing. You can, do it as a proper printing paper.
Yeah.
And then when it's ready, of course you can put emojis and stuff like that, I believe. You can say okay, so you can put a sticker. Let me show you guys. So you can put a sticker next to it.
You can put a lot of things, templates, images,
barcodes,
dates, everything.
QR code, everything. So let's try to print that and see.
Yeah,
Let's try to print. So let me show you guys in real time how it's gonna do it. Yep. You can see, very nice printing. And you can change the density.
Yeah, I would think like the little emoji thing we put there, I think that did need a little bit more.
So we can put the density to maximum.
Yeah.
Try again.
Let's try again. I am happy with the letters, but the little.
Yeah,
yeah.
It's not so big. The idea of this device is to use it for daily things you do. If you're an electrician and you want to mark wires and stuff like that, you can use the app.
Yeah.
create your own labels and put it on wires.
Yeah, just like put obviously the wire, and the sticker will just go round the wire just like this.
A description of
You've got a description of what exactly it is, or any information you want.
Zoe was talking to me the other day, and she said to me that they in some places they do an inspection every Monday, so you can always put an appliance, and you can say air condition service.
Yeah.
That date, and it's straight away. You just print this.
Yeah, you don't need, because lots of people have to do it manually. You can just print the sticker and like just put like checked then, or like if you've got a shop with food and things, obviously you need to put dates on products when you open them, so you know when they have to dispose them and things like that. You can use it in households.
And as you see,
millions of reasons.
And as you see, right now we're running the device through the power bank because the device wasn't charged when we received it. But you can use the device as is charging, and they say, it's not 100% sure, but they say that you can use the device for quite a long time before it runs out of battery. So that's another plus. So you have a very good indication of that's it. And because you're gonna say to me, yes, this is just an app and this is just a printer. Yes, but let me show you something, guys. If you go to medicine here, you can create for the medicines you receive. If you have people that they are in a very older age and you want to mark this pill for Monday, this pill for Tuesday, this pill.
You can absolutely do that.
Create those stickers and just put them on the
little boxes that you put the medicine in, and just like literally leave them notes of times and things they need to know, so they can actually.
Even here, another thing which it's funny, but I want to say that you see it says salt. You don't need the date on that, but salt and sugar. How many times, you guys, tell me the truth, how many times you managed to mix up the sugar with salt? So you can create a sticker, put it on the
Yeah, because lots of us actually like the matching containers in the kitchen, so everything's matchy, and obviously like salt and sugar can go wrong. So if you want, like, just leave us a comment underneath with your story of mixing up sugar with salt.
Yeah.
So that they are some real fun stories.
And on this, sorry for the change in the subject, we just want to focus on this device. As you see on the bottom, it has some easy cutting scissors, if you want to say.
Yeah, it's just a cutter.
So you can cut whatever you need.
I just love the feel of it, like when you can hear that.
Yep.
Okay, I did not.
It doesn't matter if you didn't.
I just like the feeling of it, just actually cuts it.
Yep. So we have, because we need some, you have 205 labels inside the box, including, but because we want to use this device at its best and test it,
we have bought some more labels.
We bought another 3 rolls of these labels. The only thing you have to be aware, and I'm talking from experience, is those labels, don't put them in direct heat or in the sun or on your office near a window, because these are thermal labels.
Yeah, you will destroy them. No, you don't put them anywhere that is real warm. Oops, I think I just...
It doesn't matter.
Anywhere that is real warm, anywhere that like direct sunlight, even in the box, just like leaving them in the sunlight for too long, if they actually manage to warm up, that's
we can
the end of
demonstrate
it.
that.
Oh, that is very easy. I can just
let us show you how easy they get dark, because that's how the printer prints. Okay, so if you just warm them up, they will get dark, because that's the way they print. This is the same paper they use on the receipts on the
Don't try this at home.
Yep. So you see,
I didn't actually touch it, I just passed it.
Yeah, so you can see how easy it becomes dark. So it's gonna become dark if you have it exposed to sunlight and heat, because that's the way that this paper works.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the SilverCrest label printer. We wanted to test the quality, and we are very happy for now, and we will make further tests and see with our 615 labels we have. We're gonna test it and see, but for now it's a very useful device, very useful for everyone, because I say to you, an electrician could put stickers on wires. If you have a person inside the house that has some chronic disease or something, label their medicine for each day.
Yeah, you can use it
Simple stuff, but
for so many different reasons. It can become real handy. And
Lidl said that they will continue to provide the thermal labels for this, so you can always get them. You're not gonna be able to run out and say, I can't find any more labels.
You can't find labels, so obviously, yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. This is Mr. D, and
Zoe.
We unbox things for you guys, so you can buy if you like, or just have a honest opinion of how they work.
See you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.